Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a mushroom egg breakfast with you. This is one of my favorite egg dishes, and the recipe takes just a few minutes to make. It's a great way to incorporate different wild mushrooms into your breakfast. So let's get started. Chop up 3 small mushrooms. Then heat a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. Add the mushrooms and cook over medium heat a few minutes. Add half tablespoon of unsalted butter. Next, add 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Cover the frying pan and cook over low heat for about 3 minutes until the eggs are cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed. These fried eggs with mushrooms are not only delicious but also makes for a satisfying breakfast. Feel free to get creative and serve it any way you prefer. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.